It's Stephen here for the Idiot Quilter, and I'm showing you my latest project. Now, this is a fairly simple table runner that I created with just scraps. And the reason I made this is because this is what I call my practice quilt. Because you may or may not know I'm working on a large queen size quilt for our bed. And it's done, it's all pieced, it's all layered, but now I have to quilt it. And it's a monster, and it's heavy. And I want to do it with a form of free motion quilting, but I'm still not good enough to, or confident enough to really go about doing that. So I'm doing something that what I consider sort of in between walking foot quilting and a transitional stage into doing free motion, and that's ruler foot quilting. So Angela Walters has lots of videos on YouTube about using her rulers, and I have all of her rulers. And so I got started on this. And at first I thought I wanted curvy lines, so I went a little too advanced, which was an idiot move. I started trying to use, right on here, the curved rulers. Disaster. Couldn't get them lined up properly, they were shifting on me, made a mess of it, had to pull all the stitching out. Then I tried something else with another ruler, again a little bit too advanced for me, and I had to pull it all out. So what you see on here in the quilting is all straight line quilting, but I used the straight standard ruler foot by Angela Walters. I'm not sure what she calls that one. And that's what I did. Now, after I got the blocks in the middle all done, I decided to try my hand. I got a little bit more confident, try my hand with some curves from, I think she calls this ruler Archie. And I just did a simple curvy pattern, wavy pattern. They're not exactly equal, and I didn't want them to be equal. And I just went down along the border with all of those. So the back of this looks like this. So yeah, there are mistakes. There are places where I did stitch in the ditch and I came out of the ditch. But you know, at first glance, and this is going to eventually sit on a table as a table runner, but there'll be stuff on top of it. So, you know, I can hide some of my little errors. But I have a lot more confidence now, and I have a new direction as to where I'm going to go with the queen size quilt that I'm making. I think I'll stick to the simple straight lines, maybe a few little curvy lines like I did on this one for now. As I move on in my quilting journey and I make other quilts, I'll try some of the other ruler foots. But anyways, what's the idiot part of this? Well, actually the idiot part of this was not to practice. Okay, I was skipping over that, just, you know, leap right in. Not a good idea. That's why I tore out so many stitches in this table runner. But so take it slow, get a feel for it, and it's not that difficult. Just take it one step at a time.